New edition. Well, not really. It was an old edition, but had it in storage probably, I think it's 8 years. Looks brand new. And it goes perfectly because it still has the same handles as my cabinets. Perfect match. It's got the two storage. And the best part is butcher block. Little knives go in there. It's like brand new. And gives it a longer look to it. Anyway, it's in great shape too. It's brand new. I mean, basically, just about. I was gonna sand it down, but don't even have to. Christmas lights. It's Ikea, too. I still got the tag. Varde. Bet you I have the bill somewhere, too. I don't know how, but I looked. There were metal sleeves on the bottom that went up to Ikea. I don't know why. I don't know if I lost them moving it over or what, but it's alright. I'll check. I doubt if they have them in the catalog, but it goes perfect.